What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Daily Car Guy. Welcome back to the garage. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Well, today gotta be filming in the garage. It's very bad weather. It's been raining, well, for a while now, a few days, and I really wanted to make this video, but not in my current garage. So I'm kind of filming at odd hours, so it also might sound a little bit different, a little bit more echoey. Odd hours because I'm going to film in the bigger part of the garage, and normally during the whole day there's a lot of in and outside driving in this place, so I decided to film at some kind of a weird hour to not have all that traffic down here. So I'm gonna pull the car out. So I got the car in front of my own garage, well, a small garage inside the garage. I hope the water in the background isn't too distracting, and I hope the lighting is just enough to get anything nicely into the picture. So yeah, let's get started. Well, while I'm on the back of the car, I'm gonna start here. Rear wing, it's okay, not illegal. They're gonna make notice of it. It will cost me a little bit of money to get it noticed on paper, but that's okay. For every change I did during the year, everything will go onto that list, and it's only €6. Even if you have 20 points, it's 6. If you have 1 point, it's 6. So let's get as much done in one go as you can. Yeah, with spoiler, that's okay, we can do that. I deleted the third brake light that was behind the window because I'm now using this one. So that's the first thing I changed, but that's perfectly legal. So let's get to the front. Well, just to mix it up, the first mod that comes to mind, and that's because this is not an original US car. I have the US bumpers on it, the side markers. Every year I got to unplug these because we cannot have them if they weren't original on this car in this country or in this continent for that sake. So that's one that's got to go. We'll go to the front. These lights, well, it's kind of mixed about it. These are yellow bulbs. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see the yellow shine. Well, I got yellow bulbs in there. No, it's not a wrap or anything else. Just yellow bulb. They say we're allowed. I'll take them out every year just to make sure they don't give me any pain for it. So those ones I take out. Some people don't, and it's okay with them. I heard some people have problems with it to get them through MOT. So just for that sake and the little work it is, I change them out every year, and well, I get through without problems. Why not just address the elephant in the room? Yes, this car is wide-bodied. As you can see, as you can notice, this is the OpticWorks wide body kit that I put on there. Is it illegal? Well, no. The wide body can be done. They don't have any problems with it. The rules say we are allowed to wide body our cars, but the same as the rear wing. They will make notice of it. Well, 2 mods, still €6. So I'm okay with that. Funny thing is, while we are allowed to have the wide body kit, those wheels that's the funny thing, the wheels got to come off. Why? It's not something the manufacturer has said we can have on the car. So, well, also these being 17s, and I think we can only go to a max of 15 inches on the Golf. Also in the back 10-inch wide, and certainly, and that's I believe everywhere in the world, the tires, stretch tires, we're not allowed to have them. So also the wheels have to come off every year, different wheels. That's not the biggest job to do, but everything counts, and well, the wheels got to go, and I got to put the original ones back on. So pretty funny sight when you drive on the original wheels with a wide body like that. It's about 3 to 4 inches that's empty inside of the wide body. But having to change the wheels out, well, it's not the worst thing. They have to come off anyways. The car is lowered. It's not illegal to have your car lowered, but it is illegal to have it this low. And also, you have to go have them installed by a professional and have them stamped off, or the papers at least, and go to MOT with it so they can say it's okay to have them. So the coilovers, they're illegal on this car, and that's something that I know of that could cost you a lot of money when they catch you with it. The positive thing is the original springs, they don't wear out, they're just sitting in the garage all year round, except for maybe 10 days that I put them on the car to get MOT stuff done. If it was okay with these coilovers, the lowest point of the car had to be 3 to 4 inches off the ground, and well, it's clearly not, so I had to adjust the height anyways, if it was okay to go to the MOT with them. Being that I have to change them, I change the wheels at the same time I'm doing the coilovers. And one of the favorite mods I did lately, it's a rear muffler delete. I still got to work on that. I always tell you guys, I need to find a new or a used muffler which I can modify to just have it look like a muffler but with just a straight pipe through it. Well, the rear muffler delete, highly illegal. You cannot take your mufflers out, you have to keep them. Well, I don't know how they would say anything if you replace them with just a straight pipe, but I believe it is not allowed. I thought you can change out your mid muffler, but you cannot do anything in the rear, and the rear one is the one I took out, and the middle is still there, so I'm still on the lookout for a muffler to modify, and since I cannot really find one at the scrapyard, maybe I should try and see what a new one costs me to modify. I don't know how much they are. This one was a second-hand one I've been having for a few years. Maybe I'm gonna order that, and that will be a future project to come. And the car audio system, well, at least the amps you can see. That's something they're okay with. Also, more than 500 watts, they make notice of it, costs you money, a little bit extra, only one time, just when you did the mod, but they're fine with that. Only the downside is, well, with this car it's okay, the other car is a different story. The weight of the car, when they have a feeling the car weighs too much due to the audio system, they will go ahead and weigh it in. If it's too heavy, you gotta try to make it lighter, and go back. I've never had any problems with that. The only problem I could have is with that car, and that one doesn't need to see the MOT anymore, so I'm okay with it. It's fine for me. And this one, well, I never even got it near the point. It was too heavy, although they thought it was a little bit heavy in the past, but it's fine now. It doesn't weigh too much, and they don't give me any problems with it. And last but not least, I'm not going to show you the engine again. It's shameful. Engine mods are completely prohibited. We can change out to a sporty air filter or cold air intake as I did. Same story, they make notice of it, charge you a little bit of money to put it on paper, and it's okay to go, but don't you dare to increase the horses of your car. Put a turbo on it, put a charger on it, don't do it. No, really, don't do anything to the engine. We're not allowed to. That kind of makes it boring, makes you think outside the box sometimes, to hide things from the MOT. So, yeah, no engine mods on this one, except for the cold air intake maybe, but that's all. So, I'm sorry guys, might be a little bit of a short video today. I'm still working on a few things. I want to get the rear diffuser done. Still not sure if I'm gonna make one myself or if I'm just going to order one straight out. I find a pretty nice one online, but I have to import it from the US. I gotta look into that, how much it's gonna cost me to import, and well, I really got to clean this thing up. It's so dirty, but the weather is also dirty, so I'm kinda tempted to leave it this way for a while and wait for a little bit of better weather to clean it up. Still looking for a new car, one that I can have also a lot of fun with a little new project. Still have a few things for this one planned. As I said, the rear diffuser, maybe some ideas will pop up for other things. I still have a few that I want to do to it. So videos will keep coming. Got a lot more planned for this car, for the other car, for the channel in a whole. So be sure to subscribe to see that. And just like that, we're coming to the end of this video. Guys, as always, I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below about what you might want to see on this channel, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out.